Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change screen refresh rate in your phone Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display and brightness, and here select screen refresh rate, and default it is set to high, a refresh rate of 120 Hz for smooth animation and operations. You can see the preview here. High will be very smooth. If you select 120 Hz high refresh rate, screen will have smooth experience while scrolling, and if you select other option standard, it will have some blur while you use your screen. But standard refresh rate will consume low battery, and high refresh rate will have more consumption of battery charge. In this way, you can easily switch between high refresh rate or low refresh rate. I have set it to low refresh rate, that is standard. But if you use higher end mobile like this, it is better to use higher refresh rate for smooth user experience in your phone OnePlus Nord CE to Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.